guys, welcome to Kids Video Diary. Today we're going to be doing the Halloween Nerf Gun video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I can't believe it's almost Halloween.
I know, right? What are you guys gonna dress up as?
A zombie. A ghost.
I'll be a cat.
I wish these pumpkins were big enough to carve.
If you guys want bigger pumpkins, I can give you bigger pumpkins.
You mean you can make these pumpkins bigger?
Yeah, I can make these little pumpkins bigger. Watch this.
Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah!
I guess we need something to carve with.
Whoa! I want the green one!
I'll clean this up real quick.
Whoa! Thanks, Jordan. What are you gonna make, Jordan?
Probably a cat. Mason, what are you gonna make?
A face. Me too! Is everybody done?
Yep. Let's clean up real quick.
Whoa! Why is it so cool?
How'd your faces turn out?
Good. Is it pretty good?
It's pretty good.
Hey, Jordan, what did you make?
I made Nova.
Nova, huh?
No! You've got to be kidding me.
We're doing you a favor. Yeah, it was ugly. I'm out of here.
Chloe, this isn't your fault. See you later. Let's do this.
Okay.
Enough of this. Let's destroy these two turds.
She is not gonna win this time. Help me find her weakness. Horrible, Jordan. You want me to show you how to shoot that? off.
You two diaper babies are gonna be crying for your mom.
Why is your gun so weak, Jordan? Jordan, you're really bad at this. You missed by a mile. Missed me again. Why you do it?
Bring it, Williams.
Hey, I know where there's a big gun. But we need to get on the other side of Jordan. I have a plan.
I'm about to flush you two turds down the toilet.
Hey, Jess, you go behind the couch. I'm gonna go upstairs and get the big gun. Okay. Yes! I'm out of here.